to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we're going to be quickly introducing our brand new Vellum, our brand new Kraft Cardstock, and also our brand new white 80-pound cardstock. So first up, let's take a quick look at the Vellum. And I love Vellum so much because it adds such a beautiful detail to your cards. So you guys will see that this is kind of a thin paper that's somewhat translucent, so you can see through it with kind of like a frosted edge. I love this for the holidays because it really looks cute, kind of like a little frosted window pane for the holidays. But one of my other favorite things to do with it is to add sentiments to it as well, and also to use it to kind of diffuse your pattern paper. So there you can see there on the right how it's going over that turquoise mat and how the color is kind of diffused. Now when we put it over some pattern paper, you'll see that you'll get a really different look. So in this case here, we're going to layer that over our pattern paper, and you're going to see that we've kind of got a completely different look just by layering that vellum on top. So it's a little more muted, a little softer, depending on what look you want for your card. There are 10 sheets in this pack, and I wanted to quickly show you a couple of ideas with the Vellum. So here you can see how Melissa backed her photos with it and has it overlaying that pattern paper for this really beautiful kind of soft and differing in textures. And then next up, Lizzie used it to create this snowy scene on her card. So you can see the Vellum layered over die cuts has created the most beautiful look and really gives that just gorgeous snowy feel to the card. So next up, we have our 80-pound white cardstock, and this is our favorite cardstock for stamping and coloring on, especially with Copic markers. If some of you guys are familiar with the Nina brand Solar White cardstock, this is it. So we've packaged it for all of you guys who have trouble finding this cardstock in your area. It just stamps so beautifully, it colors so beautifully, and I can't wait to see how you guys like it. And then last but not least here, we have our new Kraft Cardstock. And this cardstock is in our 100-pound cardstock collection. And I love it because, one, it's a gorgeous craft color, but it also has this really great texture in it that you can see there. So I really like that you kind of have that sort of natural look to it. And the other thing that's really great about this Kraft Cardstock is it really fills out our brown neutrals in our cardstock collections. So here you can see ground coffee, chocolate bar, paper bag, and vanilla malt. And now we're going to put the new Kraft Cardstock right in there. So now we've got this kind of rainbow of browns that's perfect for die cutting things like critters and grounds during fall. They're just perfect together, and that craft is just awesome. I love it for card bases too. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with this new Vellum, white, and Kraft Cardstock, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!